Hello, it's Dino Automobile again. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the oil line on any Lexus RX 350, Toyota Sienna, Toyota Highlander V6, or even Camry V6. So over time, the oil line rubber crack and they shoot out oil. So we got to replace with the aluminum one like that. Okay, first off, got to disconnect the oxygen sensor connector and then the 10mm bolt of the bracket, and then okay, one 12mm bolts and one 12mm nuts of the AC compressor bracket. Okay, and then two bolts and four nuts of the oil line, they all 12mm. Okay, and of course we got to remove the four studs too, so that we can slide the oil line out, or even if you can, you just remove two stud on one side so that you can slide out. Okay, and the most difficult thing is the stud in the very back of the engine, closer to the engine. Let me try to get it. Okay, let me try to show you because it's very hard angle over here. Okay, let me try to reach to it. Okay, right there, right there. Okay, so that's the stud, hardest stud to remove. So in order to remove that, we're gonna use the E8 socket and with the flex head or the swivel like that. So I use that to remove it and then install it. Okay, so and then put it back in the reverse order. Now let's see if it shoot out oil or not. Okay, no more oil shoot out. So whenever you see your Toyota V6 or Lexus V6 that's shooting out oil like crazy, replace this line. Okay, thank you for watching.